Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how to paint this paint by line mushroom set. I'm going to go in first and start by painting the top of all of my mushrooms in the color Barn Red. And next I'm going in with the color Cotton and paint my stems, and I'm just base coating that, and then I'm going to go in and add a little bit of the color Putty and blend that together in with the white. And then I'm just going to continue to blend that until I'm happy with the way it looks. And then once I'm done with the blending, I'm going to let everything dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outline everything. And then next I'm just going to go in with a number 4 round in the color Cotton, and I'm going to add a few details to each of my mushroom tops. So I just added some horizontal stripes. I'm going to add some vertical stripes here, or not vertical, kind of diagonal. And then I'm going to add just some little V's here as a little design. I added the swirls there, just whatever I could think of to add a little extra detail to it. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.